Hi folks, it's Steve from Emporium Customs. Today we're going to have a little look at the Mk7 and Mk7.5 VW Golf and the other models that will fit, specifically the paddle shifters, and changing them for carbon fibre ones. So it's a little bit difficult to see here. I'll see if I can zoom in a little bit. So you should be able to see a little tab there. It's quite dark. Let me pull the light around a little bit. You see there's a little tab. That's what holds the paddles on. So what you're going to go ahead and do is, let me zoom out so you can see this. We're going to get a screwdriver and we're going to go in and we're going to lever that out. Nice and easy. It's all plastic on plastic, so just be careful. You see that's popped out and up there, and then just carefully remove that, pop it down, and then this just separates. It hooks in on these teeth here. That bit hooks into there and it comes apart. And have a look at the paddle. So this is the cup area where it sits. The carbon fibre ones that we do are a direct replacement, and this section here is embedded into the carbon paddles, and then you just replace it with the carbon fibre version. Hook it in on there, flip it around, remember thin end in through the bottom, and then secure them in place. Make sure it goes all the way through. Job done. One of the easier ones to do, in fairness. Yeah. Another one of life's great mysteries is, can it be done with the wheel on the car? So this is going to be a bit awkward for me. The ring light stands just here. There's something wrong with it. It's all wonky and busted. I need a new one. So I've got to kind of have that between me and this wheel to do it, so forgive me if it's not easy to view this video. So yeah, you can do it on the car. So it will be like this, like driving down the road with your pops and bangs, with your brie maps and whatnot, having the best time of your life. When you stop, of course, you turn the wheel upside down and you can see what we talked about earlier there. That's the tab there. So can you get it while this is on the car? The answer is yeah. You can. Just got to be careful. Save you a lot of time and effort. What I tend to do is a bit of a trim tool to squish down the foam as you're doing it. Obviously it'll be on the car, so you have this hand free and make it a lot easier. It's difficult for me. Ideally could have it laying down. So you get your screwdriver. I've got a pick here because I'm trying to do it one-handed. Let me just draw this to the middle. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and see if you can see what I'm seeing there. It's difficult to get it so you can see and I can see it at the same time, and not shoulder barge the stand, of course. So there we go. We've managed to get it out just like that, without having to take it off the car. And this paddle will remove like that, and then you can pop it back in and reverse the process. I can't quite see that. Let's have a look. Let's zoom it back out so you guys can see as well. While I have a little look. Yeah, there's my teeth back in. Thin end down and through. And then whatever you use to get it out, just use that to give it a little tap back in, and it's back in there. Now there you go, you can go back to revving it up and down Mackie's car parks with your pops and bangs maps and telling all your mates how you beat an M140i. Congratulations boys, there you go.